As indicated by another report, LG may plan to reveal an overhauled rendition of its V30 display at MWC 2018. Wellsprings of the Korea Herald recommend that the upgraded handset will accompany enhanced AI includes, and will perhaps be called V30 Plus. The Korean media outlet is fairly ambiguous in the matter of what these AI highlights will be. However, it mentions that LG has likely created them in coordinate joint effort with Google. While we do prescribe that you take this data with a squeeze of salt, LG Mobile's current difference in techniques makes the story appear somewhat plausible. As you may know, LG regularly utilizes the floor at MWC Barcelona to report the most recent individual from its liturgy arrangement. Nonetheless, at the current year's occasion, LG CEO Jo Seong-Jin proclaimed that his organization will disclose new handset models when it is required, and won't really do declarations as one with matched organizations. In addition, there are likewise bits of gossip that Jo Seong-Jin requested his group to scratch the advancement of the G7 and begin once again, which could push the declaration date for the new cell phone by a month or more. The CEO additionally specified that there are plans for keeping top-of-the-line cell phones significant for longer by discharging more variations of said models. Considering that the V30 is LG's most recent and most prominent handset to date, it is conceivable that it can be the primary telephone to get extra variations with remarkable upgrades that could keep it in vogue in 2018.